Have you ever wondered what's really inside the fan motor of a Suzuki Grand Vitara? In this video, we're going to disassemble it completely and show you every detail inside. The fan motor is an essential part of the cooling system. It helps maintain the engine's temperature and also assists the air conditioning system to work efficiently. So let's open it step by step and see how this little motor keeps your car cool and running smoothly.
First, we remove the fan blade and cover to expose the motor housing. Inside, you'll find the armature, the carbon brushes, and the stator. These are the key components that make the motor spin. You can already notice some signs of wear on the brushes and a little dust buildup inside. That's quite normal, especially for older vehicles like the Grand Vitara. Cleaning this area can actually extend the life of your fan motor. Now we carefully take out the armature and examine the copper windings. The coils are still in good shape, but if you see dark burn marks or smell burnt insulation, that's a sign your fan motor is overheating or shorted. You should also check the bearing at the center. When it gets dry or rusty, it can cause noise or make the fan spin slowly. Applying a bit of lubricant can make a big difference here. Next, let's inspect the inside of the housing. This is where dust, dirt, and even moisture often build up. Over time, that buildup can lead to corrosion, causing the motor to lose power or even stop working completely. Cleaning and reassembling everything properly helps the motor perform like new. Make sure all contacts are tight and there's no loose connection before putting the cover back on. So that's what's inside the fan motor of the Suzuki Grand Vitara, a compact but hard-working component that plays a big role in cooling your car. If your fan motor is noisy, slow, or not spinning at all, maybe it's time to check inside before replacing it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more detailed car repair and AC maintenance tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Before we end, here's a quick tip. If you plan to reinstall the motor, always make sure the fan blades are properly balanced. An unbalanced fan can cause vibration and shorten the bearing's lifespan. And if your motor is beyond repair, use only quality replacement parts to avoid overheating problems later. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more repair tips, and see you in the next video.